Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This time I'm going to show how to calculate peak multiplicity of proton NMR. So last time I have processed a proton NMR spectrum for peak picking, integration, phase correction and so on, but this time just only multiplicity, how to calculate multiplets in proton NMR. So to do so, here you can see in the menu bar, you can see the process, analyze. So in this analyze, if you click here, analyze, you can see the multiplets, and also the drop down menu, you can get some other options, tutorial. But to calculate multiplets, just click here. If you click here, you can see the multiplex menu bar on your proton NMR. So here first I would like to expand my proton NMR. So here is the expanded proton NMR, and here I would like to expand little more. So here you can see doublets, and here you can see the triplets. So first you have to do, you can do many ways. You can do the calculate multiplicity. So first this one, here you can see, if you click here, which is automatically defined multiplet, that means automatically it will create multiplicity. So just click here and you can see already automatically created multiplicity. And then if you click one by one, and also you can look here, so you can see, if you click here, you can see this corner, right corner, you can see J value, which is referred as multiplicity, so 7.06. and also if you click here, which is not actually doublet, but we can try. So if you click here, you can see the value change, which is corresponding to this four peaks, so 2.56, something like that. And here is the triplet. So if you click here, you can see the value change, which is corresponding to a triplet, and which is 5.67 or something. So this is automatically created, but now we would like to delete, and manually we can also do manually. So just deleted everything by using this cross mark, which is defined as remove all the multiplets. Again, now go another option. So here you can see, which is automatically defined multiplet by region. So I would like to click here first. So now it's marked as a yellow, and now we can define the region for this doublet. So if we do this, we can see the multiplet appears, which is 7.06, almost the same as before. And by this way, by just defining the region, you can calculate the multiplicity, and you can get, and you can write this value into your notebook, and can write in your manuscript. So by this way you can do for triplet. Also you can do by defining the region. You can see the multiplet calculated by individual peak. And also again I am going to delete. Again you can do another way, which is more precise. So in that case, first I would like to withdraw. Now I would like to expand here little bit more, and then using this option, which is defined as a define, which is written here something define multiplied by free grid. So in this case you can see, you can just point out the exact highest tip of the peak. You can, after selecting one peak and then go for another one, and you can see, you can select the highest tip and click here. So you got the multiplet for this doublet, so which is 7.37, which is little bit different from automatically generated multiplet. So this one is more precise in this case. So again, this way, again I'm going to back here, and for triplet also we will create. So by define multiplet by grid, free grid option. So to do so, first I would like to increase the intensity a little bit. So almost I increase the intensity. Now you can see the triplet. Then you can choose this option, click here, and then manually just select the highest tip of the triplet here. So you can see for these two peaks you can get the multiplet 5.737373. Again, point out here the highest tip of the major peak, middle peak, and also here. So which is for this side, highest peak to lowest peak, you can get the multiplet 5.8303. So by this way you can calculate the multiplets. So after that you can note down the values and you can put in your manuscript. So thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe on my channel.